We only remember things that have energy and emotional charge attached to it. Here's an example. Do you remember what you had for dinner 3 weeks ago or a month ago? Probably not. But if somebody beat you up, or you beat somebody up, or let's say something nicer, if somebody proposed to you, or you proposed to somebody else, you will probably remember every single detail, would you? We remember only things that have energy and emotional charge or intensity, tension, and we take it with us everywhere we go. So now with FAIR transformational or transcendental technique, you can actually integrate all the energy and emotional charge from the problem or something you've been carrying with you that's bothering you, something that's no longer needed in your life. So when you apply FAIR transformational technique to your problem, that problem or trauma that you've been carrying with you for decades will disappear and you will not remember it. You will not remember the trauma. You will have a memory, it'll be empty memory. But empty memory means, yeah, you know it happened, but doesn't mean anything to you anymore. So that trauma from the past you will treat the same way as you did that dinner 3 weeks ago. You had dinner, did you? Yeah, but when there's no charge, energy and emotional charge, then there's no memory. It'll be just empty memory. Same thing will happen with trauma if you apply FAIR transformational technique. Exactly the same. Now I'm going to invite you to Waldorf Astoria, Beverly Hills, March 14th at 5:30 p.m. I'm doing a lecture on FAIR transformational technique, first time in US, and it's about time. It's about time that people learn something that's so practical, easy to use, and anybody can do it. So from this point on, your life will be much easier because you're going to be able to solve personal problem, including stressors, addictions, PTSD, problems that you're dealing with right now or from the past, insomnia, jealousy, anger, anything that keeps you up at night. So whatever's bothering you right now, after FAIR transformational technique, that will no longer be the problem. So I will see you, Waldorf Astoria, March 14th,